In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Outlook layout, whether you're looking to customize your workspace for better productivity, or simply want a fresh new look. Adjusting the Outlook layout can greatly enhance your user experience. So grab your computer and let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to log into your Microsoft Outlook account. To do this, start by heading over to the Outlook login page. You can easily find this by searching for Outlook login or by visiting Microsoft's official website. Once you're on the login page, you'll see an option to sign in if you're not logged in already. Click on sign in, use your registered email address and password to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to recover it, so don't worry. Once you're logged in, you should see your inbox. We're going to focus on changing the view of your emails to suit your preferences. Navigate to the top of the page where you'll find the mail option. This will take you to the section where you'll manage your emails. Getting familiar with this area is critical, as it is where you'll spend most of your time handling your emails. Now, to start customizing, look towards the top of your screen again and you'll spot a tab labeled View. Clicking this tab is the gateway to altering how your Outlook is laid out. The View tab gives you a variety of options that let you change the way your emails and other information are displayed. Next, under the View tab, you'll see another option called Layout. Click on it and you'll be presented with different layout options. This is where the magic happens, deciding how you want your information visualized and organized. You'll notice several choices that affect the reading pane, message list, and conversation views, among others. Focus on the section named Reading Pane. This is crucial because it determines how you'll read your emails. Click on Reading Pane and you'll notice it provides options to position the reading pane on the right, bottom, or completely off. Adjust according to what suits you best. Many people find certain layouts more convenient depending on whether they use wide or narrow screens, so feel free to experiment here. And there you have it, a new layout tailored just for you in your Outlook account. This small change can make a big difference in how effectively you manage your emails. Always remember, the more comfortable you feel with your workspace, the more productive you'll be. So take the time to personalize your settings before diving back into work. Thanks for joining this quick tutorial and happy emailing.